Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to discard phone verification error. If you are repeatedly receiving an error message that states an existing Discord account is already using this number, it is probable that you have two Discord accounts. One that is registered with your email address and one that is registered with your phone number. You are likely logged in with the account that is linked to your email address, which is causing this error message to appear. If this is the case, then you will need to delete the Discord account that was created using your phone number, assuming that you no longer require that account. To delete the account, open a new incognito window in your browser. Then, navigate to the Discord website and log in using your phone number and not your email address. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by selecting the Forgot Your Password option. Once you logged in into your Discord using your phone number, navigate to the settings and click on Delete Account again. You will have to wait for a certain period of time, and during this time, if you try to log in with your phone number, you may see a message indicating that the account is being deleted. Then, once this account that was created using phone number is fully deleted, then you should be able to verify your other Discord account using an email using this phone number. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.